The Xiaomi Mi 8 is official, confirming most of the rumors. Celebrating the 8th anniversary of the Chinese company certainly comes with Qualcomm's flagship, the Snapdragon 845, along with dual cameras and dual GPS as well. It is also the first official Xiaomi phone with a notch on top that can also be hidden. The cutout is used for an in-house infrared solution for 3D face unlock that works in dark environments as well. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. There is also a more exclusive version of the Mi 8 called the Explorer Edition. It has an under-screen fingerprint scanner and a see-through back panel that gives a peek into the internals of the device. Introduced by the CEO of the company Lei Jun, the Xiaomi Mi 8 comes with a dual camera setup consisting of a 12-megapixel sensor with a larger f/1.8 aperture and 1.4 micron pixel size, and another being a 12-megapixel sensor but with a smaller f/2.4 aperture and 1 micron pixel size. This is a telephoto lens. It brings AI feature enhancements for over 200 scenes and does 4-in-1 pixel binning for better light shots. The primary sensor is an IMX363 by Sony, while the secondary is an S5K 3M3 from Samsung. The CEO also proudly stated that the phone reached a 99-point overall rating by DxOMark, more than the 97 of the Mi Mix 2S and the iPhone X. The photo category was rated at 105, mostly thanks to the new technology that allows shooting in extremely low-lit environments. It also has AI-enhanced portrait photography that we saw first in the iPhone X back in September 2017. The selfie snapper is a 20-megapixel with a much standard f/2.0 aperture and also rides the AI hype train with AI portrait selfie and AI beautify. There is a separate face detection sensor for the back cameras. While the Snapdragon 845 chipset was not a complete surprise, the Mi 8's 300,472 score on Antutu was a sheer one. If the result is real, it will be the highest ever reached on the Chinese benchmark platform. The screen is now larger at 6.21 inches and uses a Samsung AMOLED panel with an 18.7:9 aspect ratio. The resolution is a Full HD Plus or 2248 x 1080 pixels, and along with this, the 3.5mm audio jack is again dished, and you only get the USB Type-C for all your connections. The Mi 8 was announced as the first with dual GPS. The phone binds the traditional L1 frequency used in other phones with the L5 frequency used mostly by the aeronautical industry. This should make location-based services like navigation and cab hauling more precise and fast. The phone will start from 2,699 Chinese yuan for the 6GB RAM and 64GB onboard storage version, whereas the 128GB storage version will sell at 2,999 Chinese yuan, and the most expensive 256GB storage model will come at 3,299 Chinese yuan. These prices translate to somewhere between 420 and 515 US dollars or 360 and 440 European euros. The market launch is scheduled for June 5, when the Mi 8 will appear at online and offline Mi stores as well as retailers like Bookstore and Sunning. The Explorer Edition will have only one variant, with the largest amount of RAM being 8GB but 128GB for the storage. It will cost 3,799 Chinese yuan, that is roughly 600 US dollars or 500 euros, and also come a month later. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.